Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 8 Mid-Level 1 Course Evaluation. So open the Excel Chapter 8. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So activity name is Excel Chapter 8 Mid-Level 1 Course Evaluations and Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 Course Evaluation. Click the download the materials and download the all files. Click the downloads and open the Word file and Excel files. So assignment title is Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 Course Evaluations. So total question is 12 and we move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is start a Excel download and open the file name exp22 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 Course Evaluation. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the exp22 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 Course Evaluations and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is use the frequency function in the range H5 to H9 to calculate the frequency distribution of a course evaluation from the range D4 to D35 based on the frequency being located in the range G5 to G9. So insert the frequency function in the range H5 to H9 and to calculate the frequency distribution of course evaluation from the range D4 to D35. So insert the frequency function in cell H5 to I9. So H5 to I9, so type is equal to type the frequency function and next is range is D4 to D35 and next is G5 to G9. G5 to G9 close bracket and press enter. So based on the bin located in cell G5 to G9 and so question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is use the standard function to calculate the standard deviation between the current value of all course rating in the cell H12. So insert the function is the standard functions in cell H12. So select the H12 and insert the stat function. Type is equal to type the stat function is D4 to D35. D4 to D35 and to close bracket and press enter. D4 to D35. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is use the variance function to calculate the variance between the current value of course rating in the cells H13. So use the variance function to calculate the variance between the current value of the course rating in a cell H13. So in cell H13 select the H13 type is equal to, and type the various functions, and range is various function calculate the variance current value course is the D4 to D35, D4 to D35, close bracket and press enters. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is use the Correl function in cell G70 to calculate the correlation between the GP in the range C4 to C35 and course evaluation in the range D4 to D35. So insert the function in Correl functions in cell G70 to calculate the correlation between the GP in the range C4 to C35 and course evaluation in the range D4 to D35. So select the G17s and insert the Correl functions, type is equal to, and type the Correl functions, and range is C4 to C35 GPA, and type comma and D4 to D35. Course rating is D4 to D35. Close bracket and press enters. And C4 to C35 and course evaluation is D4 to D35. D4 to D35. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is ensure the analysis toolpack is loaded. Create the descriptive statistics summary based on the course evaluation in column D. Ensure label and summary statistics are included. Display the output in cell G19. So ensure the analysis toolpack is loaded and create the descriptive statistics summary based on the course evaluation in the column D, and ensure the label and summary statistics included and display the output in cell G19. So go to the data types and go to the data analysis groups and insert the descriptive statistics, click OK, and next is create the descriptive statistics summary based on the course evaluations column D, and ensure the labels and summary statistics are included and display the output in cell G19. And summary based on the course evaluation in column D. So input range is D3 to D35, course rating D3 to D35, and next is column D, and ensure the label and summary statistics included. Include the label input and output ranges. Display the outputs in G19. So input is G19, D3 to D35, and label in the first row column and G19. Include the summary statistics. Ensure the label in the summary statistics included and display the output cell in cell G19. And summary statistics and click OK. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, insert the scatter plot with the course rating as the rating, x-axis value and GPA y-axis value, and be sure to edit the charts and axis labels. So insert the scatter plots, course rating. So go to the insert tabs and go to the chart groups and insert the scatter charts. So insert the scatter chart and click the scatters, axis value and GPA axis. Be sure to share charts and axis labels. So question number 7 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So I have done the assignments and save and close the Exp22 Excel chapter 1 ML1 course evaluations Excels and submit or directed. So save the files. You save the files and upload the assignment and check the scores. Click the browse and desktop and close the files. So upload the assignment is Excel chapter 8 mid-level 1 course evaluations. Open the assignments. So assignment name is Excel chapter 8 mid-levels 1 course evaluation and Exp22 Excel chapter 8 ML1 course evaluation. Upload the files. So find the files and opens and click the uploads. So upload the assignment and check the scores. So click the continue and Excel chapter 8 mid-level 1 course evaluations current score is 94.15. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.